even see them, it's that bad. Oh shit. When you live in Quebec, I guess you learn to swear. I'm sorry. Come on, boys! Come on! Well, I'm gonna have to go show them the way. Oh my gosh. Welcome to Quebec Homestead! I'm stuck in the snow. Holy moly. Come on, boys! Holy crap! Oh, shit. Screw them! At least one animal's happy to come in. So much for trying to help the horses out. You a snowman? Hi. It took me forever, but I finally got them in. Quebec Homestead is in the dark. But wait. Check it out. It's a lantern. It's solar. It's a flashlight. And it's a disco ball. Pretty nifty for a power outage in February in the heart of winter. I figured it would happen. It's really bad. It got the horses in today in a really bad storm. It's literally snowing inside in my basement on all my cardboard that I have to burn. So first things first, we have to go check on the furnace, open up the trap so the heat gets throughout the whole house. That's it. Oh my gosh, this is scalding hot. Like, I can hardly stand it. So we have electricity backup, and I'm letting the furnace run on electric for now so that I can clean it, because I noticed yesterday when I was looking in the chimney that it was starting to get a lot of creosote in it. We had a chimney fire last year, so it got me thinking that I had to do it pretty soon. I don't want to go through that again. It was our first year burning with it, and yeah, my bad. Oh, these guys are happy to come out. Well, the horses are out, and it's time to do my favorite chore. So I'm gonna go bring these out. There's quite a buildup of snow here, so I'm gonna have to try to bulldoze my way through. That's the reality of homesteading in Quebec. And everybody asks me why we don't have many animals. That's why right now. Living in these elements, it's hard. I'd rather have the other people right now doing this and buying meat from them. Plus, we got enough meat that we don't need to raise it right now. Everything's stocked.